Hirap ka ba kumuha ng client sa agency kaya gusto mo na lang mag-direct client? Uy, panoorin mo to. Here are 5 steps para makakuha ka na ng client directly. Hey guys, it's Jam, the founder of Buhay Virtual Assistant and Barangay VA Community, and my goal is to help you guys, aspiring Filipino freelancers or virtual assistants, land your first client online. Sa video na ito, pag-uusapan natin kung paano nga ba makakuha ng isang direct client. Wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa, simulan na natin ang tutorial. Let's go! Step number 1 is get to know the world. Alamin mo kung ano nga ba itong mundong papasukan mo as a virtual assistant or freelancer. Dapat alam mo na ang mga bagay na hahanda mo, no? Yung mga bagay na i-expect mo, and dapat alam mo na rin yung mga galawan sa mundong ito. If you're looking for a free VA guide or free VA course para malaman mo na kung ano bang meron dito sa virtual assistant world or sa freelance world, click the link in our description. Meron tayo yan for free. Second step is to build your VA business plan. Sa part na ito, dito mo i-build ang iyong business. Dito mo i-build yung business identity mo. Like who you are as a business, okay? Who's your target market? What kind of problem ang isosolve mo? And how do you solve it? 4 basic questions, pero best that you're able to answer all those 4 clearly before you even approach clients. Remember na kung clear sa'yo as a business yung identity mo, it means na mas clear sa paningin ng mga future clients mo din, which gives you higher chances of winning. Number 3 is very important and not everyone's comfortable with is to build your own personal brand. Build your own personal brand online. Dito yung part wherein you showcase yourself, no? Your skills, your experience, and what you can do, your milestones, your life, in social media. Because in this way, ina-attract mo na ang future clients mo. Sila na mismo ang lalapit sa'yo at mag-a-approach sa'yo kung kailangan nila yung services mo. The more mag-grow mo yung personal brand mo online, the more credibility and the more chances of brands and future clients to approach you. Kaya guys, most of the successful entrepreneurs or freelancers are actually the ones who are also noisy and active online. So start showing up, mga mi, okay? Number 4 is start to do lead generation. And there are so many ways to actually do lead generation. This is when you do the cold calling, cold messaging, lahat ng cold, parang yung ex mo. Charing! Paano nga ba? Iba-iba yan guys, depende kung anong platform gusto mo. May LinkedIn, may Facebook, may Instagram, kung saan man yan. Pero kung gusto mo ng free tutorial kung paano nga ba, mag-lead generation, gusto mo matuto kung paano mag-lead generation, or baka gusto mo maging lead generation VA in the future, may free course tayo yan, also link in the description box. Let's go. And lastly, number 5 is build your business systems para ang journey ng client mo are very premium and seamless. Importanteng matuto ka bumuo ng sistema mo from the time you actually attract your future client to the discovery call, to onboarding them, etc. Which is good news guys because yung pinaka-guide kung paano ka magsisimula as a VA or freelancer, no, and get direct clients, no, yung step-by-step procedures from step 1 onwards to step 5 guys, meron tayong free Notion template and guide. It's also linked in the description box below. Lahat nasa iyo na, ang gagawin mo na lang ay execution mo. I-execute mo. Is it easy? No. Is it worth it? Yes. Wala namang madali sa mundo ngayon. Wala na rin namang instant sa mundo ngayon. So kung ako sa'yo, ilaban mo na. That's it for me for today. Comment below kung ano natutunan mo. Thank you so much and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like and subscribe. Bye!